If you ever drove a car with manual transmission, I bet you came across this issue. You're in the middle of a gear change and you suddenly need to dim your headlights. Would be so nice with the third hand, but since that's a bit complicated to achieve, why not add a button to the gear knob?
You'll find a little red button. Whatever you do, don't touch it.
It makes you feel a bit like James Bond every time someone asks about the button. At this stage in the project, PCBWay contacted me and very kindly offered to support me with custom fabricated PCBs. I already had the schematic made in KiCad, so I designed the PCB and uploaded fabrication files on PCBWay site. I've used PCBWay for custom PCB production several times before with great results and can highly recommend them. While waiting for the PCBs, I decided to test out the prototype circuit. But then we need a gear knob. Let's take a quick look into how DipIt is connected to the car. If we simplify, the original circuit looks like this: a battery, the main light switch, low and high beam switch, and the headlights. Dimming the light simply redirects the current to correct wire by using the selector switch. To add the DipIt system, we need to add an additional relay into the wiring. The relay is controlled by the DipIt system. When pushing the button, the DipIt will toggle the output to the relay and lights will swap between high and low. As I also want the original switch to work, I wired one output from it to the DipIt. Now, both switch and push button will work together. Hey, turn the light off. Thank you.